So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to solve this amazing question, right? Whenever you see this kind of question in first sight, you can say that this is very easy question, right? And you can obviously find the answer by putting different value of x here. But in a theory section, when you solve this question, the method is very good, right? So pay attention throughout the video, right? And during any point you feel doubt or you don't understand anything, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? And as I said earlier, that by looking at this question, you can directly say what is the answer of this question, right? Why? Because you will put different value. First, you will put 0, right? But 4 raised to 0 equal to 0 is not possible. Then you will put 1, 4 raised to 1, 1, and here I will get 8, not equal. But when you put x equal to 2, so 4 square 16 equal to 8 into 2 16, right? So I can say that x equal to is our final answer. But in this question, you must see a solution. How we can solve this question, right? But you must see a method through which we will solve this question. So pay attention. Here I have 4 to x and here I have 8x. I have two possibility. I can put 8x into denominator of 4 to x, or I can also put 4 to x into denominator of 8x, right? But we will put 4 to x into denominator of 8x. So 1 equal to 8x divided by 4 to x. Agree? Now I can also write it as 1 by 8 equal to x divided by 4 to x, right? Because I bring 8 into denominator of this 1 here, right? So x by 4 to x equal to 1 by 8. Now what we will do? We will bring 4 to x into numerator, right? So it will become x into 4 to minus x equal to 1 by 8, right? I hope you are clear till now, right? This is a very easy section. X into 4 to minus x equal to 1 by 8. But now how do we solve this equation, right? So for this, in order to solve this equation, you must know about Lambda's function, right? If any function is in the form of e raised to t into t, right? If any function is formed in the t into e raised to t, then if I apply Lambda function here, then answer will be of this whole function, right? Answer of this whole function will be t, which means if I apply Lambda function in t into e raised to t form, then answer will be t, right? So if I got this equation in this form, then I can easily write the answer, right? So now first of all I have to bring exponents here, right? Because I have not know any exponents. So first of all I will bring exponent. How? I am sure all of you know that if I have 4, then I can also write 4 as e raised to ln 4, right? Because this e will get here and 4 will come here, so ln e is always equal to 1, right? That's why e raised to ln 4 equal to 4. So now x will be as it is. Instead of 4 I will write e raised to ln 4 raised to minus x, which is equal to 1 by 8. Agree? So x into e raised to minus x ln 4, right? Because power and power will get multiplied, equal to 1 by 8. So now I have got exponent term, and in the power minus x ln 4, right? If I compare this equation with this equation, then if this is t, right? If e raised to t, then this t has to be here, right? Which means minus x into ln 4 has to be here, right? But instead of minus x ln 4, I have only x. So I have to got minus ln 4 here, right? In order to compare this with this, because here I have t into e raised to t, which means power of this term, power of this exponents, and coefficient of this exponents has to be same, right? So minus x ln 4 here I have, then also here has to be minus x ln 4. So in order to get here minus x ln 4, I will multiply both the side by minus ln 4, right? So it will become minus x ln 4 into e raised to minus x ln 4 equal to 1 by 8 into minus ln 4. Agree? So now I have both the side I have multiplied minus ln 4. So now I have got minus x ln 4 here into e raised to minus x ln 4, which means coefficient of exponents and power of exponents both are same. So I can apply Lambda function here, right? But on right hand side it will become minus ln 4 by 8, right? Now if I get minus ln 4 by 8 also in Lambda function, then this question will become very easy. But the main question is, how do we take minus ln 4 by 8 into this form? So now pay attention. Here I have minus ln 4, right? So now if I multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator, then it will become minus 2 ln 4 divided by 16. Agree, right? So now if I bring this minus 2 in the power of x 4, sorry 4, then it will become ln 4 raised to minus 2 divided by 16. So it will become ln 1 by 16, and also I can write here into 1 by 16, right? Because it will become ln 1 by 16 divided by 16. So I have written this 1 by 16 separately, right? So now I also write 1 by 16. I can also write 1 by 16 as e raised to ln 1 by 16, right? Same as 4. I have written 4 equal to e raised to ln 4. Then I can also write 1 by 16 ln 1 by 16 into this 1 by 16 as e raised to ln 1 by 16, right? So here also power of exponents and coefficient of exponents both are same. So this is a Lombard function. I can also apply this here, Lombard function. So first of all if I write both the side minus x ln 4 into e raised to minus x ln 4, which is equal to Lombard function of ln 1 by 16 into e raised to ln 1 by 16. Now according to this equation, if I have t into e raised to t, then answer will be t. So here t will be minus x ln 4, right? And here t will be ln 1 by 16. Agree? So it will become, if I bring this minus ln 4 into denominator of this term, then x will be equal to, and this will become minus ln 16, right? Divided by minus ln 4. Why? Because if I take 16 to numerator, then this will become minus. So minus minus will be plus, and I can also write ln 16 as 2 ln 4, right? Because I can write 16 as 4 as to 2, and 2 can come here. So ln 4 will be cancelled out. So x equal to 2 will be our final answer, as we know in the starting, right? I already told you that if you put 2 here, then 4 square equal to 8 into 16, 16 equal to 16. But the here method that I want to show you is very important in aspect of Lambert's function. You must know the concept of this function in order to solve this kind of question, right? I hope you got it. As I said, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, in this video also and in any video, right? And thank you so much for watching this video.